Hey, what's up, you guys? Thomas back with another LinScents video. Today we have another fragrance from the Afnan Ambery lineup. But before we get into that, just want to say thank you guys again. It is an honor to be playing on one of those electronic devices, whether it is that cell phone, that tablet, that laptop, that Macintosh, that brand new big screen TV, whether you watch me at home, at work, on a plane, a train, or an automobile. Maybe you're watching me at some store right now waiting for that old lady to hurry up with all their merchandise. She's at the self-checkout lane and she doesn't know what she's doing, so you just flip on a video and you get a good 2 to 3 minutes of watching me while you're waiting in that line. So wherever and however you're watching me, it is an honor. If you guys are new to this channel, you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, comment, and like. Likes are very important. Man, you guys are awesome. You guys are helping this channel grow, and it's amazing to wake up to find new subscribers all across the world, not just the United States. And I'm assuming the Middle Easterns have something to do with it, but man, it's cool waking up in the morning and seeing someone's watching you from Saudi Arabia or Nigeria or Malaysia. Any one of those places, could be somewhere else as well. And it's just so cool to know that you guys are watching it. So it's an honor to know that you guys are watching me. So it's an honor to do these videos. So let's finally get into this fragrance. Now, unfortunately, the wife may not be able to attest to this fragrance. Okay, she's coming down with a little bit of sickness, whether it is a sick from the flu, maybe the sick from some kind of cold, maybe sick from the stomach flu, sick of me, I don't know. She's got to be one of them. I'll go with the latter, but she is down for the 3 count right now, so you will not see her in this video. However, you will see this brand new fragrance, and this one, again, is from the Edict lineup. You guys remember I did one on Muscatique, which is just a beautiful, beautiful, manly, gentlemanly, classy fragrance. This one, I'm thinking it's going to be the same. This one is Afnan Edict Amber Time. Now, the last one I believe was a clone of Electimus Imperium, I think. Am I saying that right? I don't know. This one, I don't know what it is. So we're just going to have to get into it and take a look. Now, again, this one has that nice big red, almost like a leather wallet look. Okay, you open it up like one of those bifolds, and then you got that cash. But in this case, we have a bottle of fragrance. And take a look at that bottle. Another beautiful bottle sitting in there, just so eloquently. There's a little bit of velvet texture in there. So we got some velvet, we have some leather, and then we have this gold trim. So all that looks great. Now, did not look up the note breakdown in this one. Okay, so we are going into this with a open mind. Now, I will bring the other one out. So just so you guys can see, and I do have the last one too, which is called the Udiction. So not addiction, it's Udiction. So here goes Muscatique. Okay, if you guys didn't see this video, we'll leave the description down below. And then here is that Amber Time. So, you know, I kind of got a little whiff of this, and it kind of smells a little feminine in my opinion, kind of powdery, but let's spray it and see what it's all about. It's kind of got the sweet smell to it. Assuming it's going to have some kind of ambery, woody smell. Maybe some sweetness going along with that, but let's check it out. It's a fine mist. Doesn't shoot out a lot of juice, but it's definitely a nice wide mist. So sometimes with a wide mist like that, you're gonna want to spray in, like, maybe if you do spray like twice right here, spray like maybe you spray here and then just move it up an inch more, just so you get, like, you know, a lot of surface. Okay, because when it's so wide, you know, it's all that, you know, you don't know where, but it's kind of got this cinnamony, clovey, spicy, slightly powdery and woody. It's kind of get this sweet. Again, it's most likely, I'm assuming there's an amber in here with the title being an Amber Time. I'm assuming that's what it is. but definitely getting a lot of cinnamon up the top. Cinnamon, again, clovey, slightly sweet. So, clovey, cinnamony. In the air, you kind of get this powdery sweetness. You get a little bit of that ambery, woody smell. Here's the thing with this fragrance, though. It smells lovely, and I'm pretty sure there is going to be a lot of people that enjoy this fragrance. That spice, the powdery, the sweetness that comes out of it, that woodiness that comes from this fragrance. However, in my opinion, I'm not a fan of this fragrance. Okay, it smells, it does smell good. Okay, it's not one of those putrid fragrances. Okay, it's just, I don't really consider myself like someone that would need this fragrance. I gotta have this fragrance after I smell it. Like if this was in a sampler, I would say yes, it smells good. Yes, yes, yes. But I don't see myself wearing it that much. Okay, and it's not because I don't like the cloves and stuff like that, because it smells, it almost has like this clovey, cinnamony, almost slightly spice bomby smell without that kind of sweetness, that real sweetness that spice bomb has, that real tobacco-y smell in there, okay? But you do get that like an undertone of spice, like from spice bomb. You get that, just the spices, you get that cinnamon, you get that clove, kind of get a little bit of this woody. And again, in the air, it's kind of powdery and sweet. Definitely getting that amber. Amber is a very nice note, one of my favorites. Just this whole fragrance, I don't think, in my opinion, works for me. I think it might be that powderiness that I'm kind of getting in the air, that powdery kind of softness that I'm getting in the air. I wish this was more spicy and more dark and like more sensual. This is more of like a spicy, but again, like more on a feminine side of things. Like this is more for a female, in my opinion. Now again, a guy can rock this as well. It doesn't matter. This would be like a date night fragrance though. Nice cuddling date night fragrance. Like if the wife was wearing it, I would like it. It's just not my cup of tea, but it would smell good on her, I'm assuming. Nice date, cool weather fragrance. Okay, nice cool breeze outdoors. This is not your typical all day, everyday fragrance. You're not gonna wear this to work, women or men, not to work. This is like a intimate type fragrance. Okay, gonna be intimate with the wifey or the, if you're wearing this as a man or as the husband. But you know, it's a pretty decent fragrance. You know, it's just not my cup of tea. Okay, so again, don't let me say it's not my cup of tea ruin you guys from going out there and buying it and giving it a try. I mean, it's $55. The thing looks like it should be somewhere in the 150s to 200s. You get this beautiful bottle, the beautiful scent, smells strong, smells luxurious. You get that cool presentation. So $55 is not that bad. Now, the thing is, it's kind of hard to find these right now, okay? So if I can find them, I'll leave the description down below. But for right now, I don't think I've seen the others pop up anymore after I purchased these, okay? So I purchased these three. I don't think I've seen them anymore on eBay. That's where I got mine, but I haven't seen any more. So we're gonna have to see if we can find it all together, and if you guys do, let me know. But with this one, again, it's spicy, ambery, smells like there's a little bit of tonka bean coming through right now. It's giving that sweetness, okay? Again, kind of powdery, kind of spicy, slightly woody, got that ambery smell. Ambery kind of gives off that woody sweetness, okay? But again, this one just is not for me in my personal use. Maybe, we'll see. Maybe sometime down the line, maybe I'll wear it outdoors, and maybe that breeze and a little bit of other elements to change my mind. But as far as just indoors right here, I'm not the biggest fan of this one, okay? So with that being said, I'm gonna get up out of here, okay? Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys did, hit the likes, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Ambery time. Peace.